around in the Gs300. I know I haven't posted anything really all last week. We did get the drag radials in, and they are on the 335i, and we got matching front wheels for it too, but they're on some Achilles tires, and that's all going great. We really haven't done anything. I've been trying to get my truck tuned, the Reaper. I got the pulley on it. I took it to Vengeance. They did a base map, and then I changed, they told me to change spark plug, so I did that. And it really didn't make a difference. So Thursday, I'm taking the truck back to Vengeance, and hopefully they'll be smoothing it out. But with the new pulley, I did see my boost go over, I think it went over 11 pounds, so it should be right at like 12 something. But still, the truck was breaking up so bad above 3,000 RPM, I wasn't about to push it. And yeah, I still haven't raised up the GS, so we are still pretty much low. You know, if I hit a bump hard enough, the upper control arm hits shock tower low. So it's doing that. Still haven't fixed it. And yeah, I mean, I'm just cruising to the dollar store right now. Like I said, I haven't really been doing anything. I haven't been able to do anything. Yeah, Georgia's opened back up, but I still don't have you know, a lot of customers come in or a lot of work to do. I bought some parts for the 240. I kind of am not really messing with the GS anymore for a while. I am still going to turbo it. It'll probably be later in the summer. I'll probably get the kit on. It won't be like turned up crazy or nothing, but I'll have the kit on the car. Probably like 3 pounds of boost, you know? Like, you'll know it's there. It'll be an extra 50 horsepower for sure, which will make this car a lot more fun to drive, period. But I mean, yeah, the kit's like $1,800, and I mean, I'm not gonna say that ain't shit, but it really isn't for the performance you're gonna get out of the car. I still have the big brake upgrade to do to it. I have brakes from a LS 430. What? I was gonna get the turbo kit and a ECU Masters piggyback. So those are pretty much the 3 big things I was gonna do to the car. And I was gonna do a full, I believe it's TTE. It's like a lip kit. They have like a front lip. They have a little rear clip-on diffuser thing that's nice, and they have a trunk lid spoiler that's pretty nice, and a grill. All that together is like $500, but it'll really set the car off that little bit more, you know. So I'm excited about that. I'm going to sell the Scar Audio RP2K. I'm not really digging the performance out of it right now. I don't think it's enough really for the X15. Like, I keep putting it into protect mode. Like, maybe I have some dirty power, but it ain't doing what I want it to do. So I'm gonna continue to sell that, upgrade all my other wiring, and drive past the dollar store. I'll come back here in a second. Hopefully they're not closing. And yeah, upgrade all my other wiring and continue with that and get a Sundown 3K SAE, I believe. So that's my big plan with that. I do plan on getting some different wheels. I'm trying to work out a deal with a company so I can get wheels for this car and my other car. I have a bunch of Finish Line factory stuff. I'm gonna have some videos on it soon. I'm making my own bulkhead for my fuel tank. So if you've never done that, I'm gonna have a video on that. I'm gonna have a video about how my BR is actually wired to this car, which is very simple. Like I kind of like pointed at it and showed you in the last one, but I'm gonna, you know, pretty much whip out a sheet of paper and be like, hey, here it is. You know, screenshot this if you want to wire your shit up. If you do it, yeah, it'll throw a check engine light for a crankshaft position sensor. But I'm sure if you're running a little different computer, you probably won't do that. Or if you're running like some really stout crankshaft position sensors or camshaft position sensors, they probably won't do that as well. I'm not sure, but I have my shit flash. I have just a flash. I sit here and like I just, you know, I clear it whenever it throws the code, like whatever. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much all I've been up to. We are gonna have a video of doing some races in the 335i soon. It might be on E like next weekend, so that'll be interesting. But yeah, so you got drivetrain passcodes. Scrippity scrape. Yeah, just I need to raise it up. I fucking scrape on leaves, you know. And my suspension's still on a soft setting. We'll get a little pop going. It's a sedan, you wouldn't suspect it. It's gonna be funny as hell when this thing's boosted and has, you know, better tires, brakes underneath it, and it makes about 300 horse, you know, like, that's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good time. Then we're gonna bulletproof the head, do the, I think it's a 1.8 millimeter head gasket and ARP head studs. It'll make this thing make around 500 wheel. But I also have a GE bottom end from a non-VVT, which is pretty much forged internal, same forged internals that are in a non-VVTi GTE. I have one. I haven't been talking about it because I don't want to like trick y'all and make y'all think that I put a GTE bottom end in mine. I really don't care for GTEs. They're pointless to me because, yeah, the internals are slightly forged. Like, I mean, yeah, they're forged from factory, but there's way stronger shit out there for way cheaper than me spending $4 grand on just another stock motor. So, a little food for thought. So, I know people argue with me all day, all night on that, but oil squirters don't do shit that, you know, coatings do on pistons these days. Are just as efficient. But I mean, if someone wants to have that debate, go for it. I'm not gonna say I know more than you, but I don't know if people know how to watch temperatures on things nowadays, how much they argue. But whip in this dollar store, get me some Mountain Dew, roll back to the house. And if you guys like this kind of video, you know, let me know. I'll do some more like just drive around vlog type videos. I don't know, maybe it could get more exciting, but right now I'm just kind of, you know, cruising around these roads, talking, hitting bumps and shit. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much everything that's going to be happening soon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I can't think of anything else. Still got the Pontiac I'm gonna go get, and I gotta fix my cat eye, but all that's pretty much gonna happen after I go pick that G8 up, and then I'm gonna start trying to sell it and my Reaper. But yeah, I mean, that's it. If you guys like this style of video, let me know. We're almost at 250 subscribers, which my Instagram's almost at 1,000, but not that those two are very close. I feel like shit. But yeah, let me know what you think of this video, and you know, like, subscribe, share some of my other content. This isn't the most exciting, but you know, we're getting there. We're gonna have some fun stuff soon. All right, later.